Hello. For many, it's a fine and sunny Friday out there, but across parts of the south, it's a very different feel. Clouds spilling in and certainly across southern parts of England, turning quite soggy by the end of the day. Let's take a look at the satellite picture because it shows quite nicely this huge swirl of cloud. It's an area of low pressure, and here comes that cloud pushing up across the south. Further north from that, well, we do have some snow showers still getting into parts of western Scotland. They'll be easing off through the rest of the day, but this band of cloud in the south, well, producing light rain and drizzle. As we go into the afternoon, it will turn heavier across the southwest in particular, and the breeze will pick up. But for many, once the morning fog has cleared away, it's fine, it's bright, there's some sunshine around, and it's certainly a lot warmer than it was this time last Friday. Temperatures generally around about average across the north, 7 to 9 Celsius. Further south, 8, 9, maybe 10 or 11 in the far southwest. But of course it won't feel all that mild here because of the cloud and the rain, which will continue to drift northwards. Quite a wet evening rush hour across the southern half of the UK. And even further north, that rain will eventually arrive. As it hits the colder air across Scotland, we could well see a bit of snow over the hills and mountains of southern Scotland. In the south, it will be a very mild night with temperatures 8 or 9 degrees. But before the rain arrives across the far north, quite a cold night actually. Towns and cities getting close to freezing, but in rural spots through northern Scotland, we could get down to -6, -7 or -8 Celsius. And with the cold air still here and that wet weather continuing to push northwards, it means there'll be more snow on the hills through Saturday across the far north. Elsewhere, it's looking like quite a wet day for Northern Ireland, central southern Scotland, and then another band of rain will swing its way across England and Wales. Either side of that, there'll be some brighter spells, and actually it will be quite mild temperature-wise, getting into the teens in places through Saturday, but still on the cold side across much of Scotland with the cloud, the wind and the outbreaks of rain and hill snow, which continues through Saturday evening. Say rain at low levels through the central belt, slowly clearing through the evening, but northern Scotland stays soggy. Elsewhere, the skies start to clear in many places, and that will lead to a fine start for many on Sunday. Could be some fog around through the heart of England and Wales in particular, and through the day we will see more showers coming into the south. They could be quite heavy with a strengthening wind as well. Again, though, it is quite mild, and there should be some fine weather, at least across northern Britain this weekend. It remains pretty mixed, though, the forecast through the weekend. More details on all of that on our website and, of course, through our social media channels.